Today our project is AI Resume Screener web app. Our primary goal is to develop an intelligent web application that automatically screens and ranks resumes based on job requirements, helping recruiters save time and select the best candidates efficiently. So, to solve this problem, we, the team members Parnabi Dandapat, Sneha Roy, Dipu Halder, and Keya Mondal, are here to solve this problem. We are doing this under the guidance of our respected teacher, Mr. Somnath Roy Chaudhuri. So please, Nick, change the slide. Yeah. Our project overview is we have developed an app, AI Resume Screener web app. Our most current thing that we are going through the problem, that is we are going in the generation of AI where we use AI everywhere. So the main problem is screening of resumes, and our app is mainly HR centric. So the companies can, in companies there are many AI resumes that the companies get. So from there the screening process becomes very much hectic. So to solve this problem for the companies, we have developed an AI resume screener where the process of the flowchart will be: we will open the app, web app, then start open web application. The company will enter the job title and job description. The company will also upload the resume of the given candidate. Then the resume extractor app will extract the files format, PDF format, and the AI, here the main thing, the AI will analyze the resumes and will give us a match score. That is the main thing. That will truly show how much the AI score will match with the candidate's requirements that the company will require. So now, after that, the main thing is the match score, and the result will be generated, that how much is the candidate compatible with the company's required post. And after that, this will show the dashboard, and the dashboard will be saved in the company's history. And they can also check if they require any other types of requirements. We will also try to implement those in the near future, and the company can also export those values in the form of CSV, so that it becomes very much clear for the company as well as the candidates. Please change to the next slide. So we have, as we are in a undergoing process of development, the development process never ends. So we have future enhancements also: smarter resume analysis. AI will understand the meaning and context of work experience instead of relying mainly on keyword matching. Now we are only relying on keyword matching, but in the near future, our analysis will be more smarter. So better job matching will be the result. Skill verification will also be there by taking required verified documents, also explainable results, so that there is no biasness. Resume improvement suggestions will also be added in our near futures app. AI powered screening interviews. We will also add virtual assistants that can conduct initial screening interviews and summarize candidates' responses, and hence therefore deducting the time required by the companies to hire the candidates. And as well as fraud detection, as AI will help in identifying the inconsistencies or potentially false information in resumes for human review. To run this project, I have to install these requirements, which I have already written here. It takes some time to install. Okay, so this is our web app, AI resume scanner, and it's hire smarter, not harder. So here I have to put job title, it is data scientist, and now I will put job description. I have already written this, and I simply copy this one. I select its mid-level, and now I will upload resume. So it is the main function of AI resume scanner. It will scan resume and it will give match score, label, top skill matched, and actions. We can also view this one.
This is missing skills and this is match skills. It is highlighted skills. And if we want, we can shortlist via email. And it is registered till now. We have checked this too. So thank you.
Very good.